Okay, now I'm back and check out my keyboard. It looks pretty sad, and those keys. So I got some Q-tips, tissues, and I'm about to clean my and also some water. I decided to use water instead of rubbing alcohol to clean my keyboard. Well, I don't know why I was wearing my headset, probably just to brag to you guys about my cute pink headset, but I don't really need it. Here we go. This gel totally feels like some kind of hoax, because now when it's dried, it's just like, like glue when they get dried and becomes this kind of like thin layer of, I don't know how to describe that, but that's what it's like. So I don't think, probably it can absorb some dust and some like dirty chunks, but not confident in whether it can kill germs. Again, if I got to review this, I would be, don't get it. I probably need something hard as well, because now it's getting dried, kind of like super stuck. I'm now using my fingernails, but it's not too easy. God, this is Special Ready's life. I've got no tools at home, so I'm gonna use a pen. Now this LED gets me feeling like a little bit dizzy. And I think I probably need to kind of like take it apart even a little more, because the gel is really stuck in the mechanical part. And this LED is completely off. I've got 3 keys that has like off LED. I don't know. Hope it's gonna be fine. Oh, looks like this one is coming back a bit. Well, in case you guys are worried and saying that I should unplug my key, otherwise there's a chance for me to get electrocuted. Well, I can tell you don't have to worry about that, because the output from the USB hub is 5 volt, and that might give me some kind of tink, but not enough to kill me. Not just pretty and dumb. Ow! I made another terrible mistake. I just blew away those dried gels. It's gonna be everywhere on my floor. Whatever, I'll just sweep my floor. Yeah, it's really not that easy. I mean, it's a lot of gel, and now they're dry. They're gonna kind of getting hard.